Okay, so I've got that much on the colander now, using the cheesecloth, and I have a bottle of this much way so far, so a little bit, and there'll probably be, I don't know if it'll be that much more or not, we'll see. I'll probably have to do a second colander amount to get the rest of this. And I also put some in this little mixing bowl. I found another chunk on the bottom of not mixed powdered milk. So yeah, this is a learning lesson. Add the powdered milk to the cold or warm water, not boiling water, into the whole amount of whole milk powder. So FYI in the future, James, or others, just a heads up. And then I don't know if there's any sugars or any issues with maybe other ingredients, newts in the NIDO whole milk powder, that ultimate whole milk fluid product, having not favorable conditions for the Reuteri, gums and teeth at least, strains. So just a heads up. All the best out there. Be safe, stay healthy, and until next time, learn something new. Keep Christ with you.